Hi Sharat, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Rakesh. What about you? Thanks for asking.
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you. So, congratulations for getting a job in the product-based company.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
Thank you, Rakesh.
yeah. How
And
do you feel about that?
yeah, yeah, I'm great actually. Like before that, like I was giving many interviews. I was like I upskilled myself. I started giving interviews, but I felt like I something is missing in my preparation. So that was mock interviews. So like then I was going through your all mock interviews also in the YouTube, but I thought like let's try something like let's so I approached you for a mock interview and yeah, you helped me with that, and you helped me in a way that like you you suggest me how to answer up, like you suggested a few interview questions that also you shared in that mock interview.
Mm-hmm.
So from that, like I got enough understanding, like I'm how to approach any scenario based questions. So I was technically okay, I was able to clear all the technical rounds, but when it comes to the managerial techno managerial rounds,
Mm-hmm.
so I that's where like I'm in lagging. So your mock interviews helped me a lot. Like thanks for that.
Great, great. Yeah. Okay. So, how many years of experience you have?
I'm having around 3.4, 3.5 years of experience
Mm-hmm.
into automation, but like for almost 3 to 4 years, I haven't given any interview. So I missed like how to articulate the questions. Like earlier, we'll be having some knowledge about that. The
Right.
interview asked the question, we'll be having knowledge, but I was lacking like how to articulate that. How to
Mm-hmm.
explain by using the terms, technical terms.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that is also you pointed out that you should articulate the questions in a technical, like using technical words. So that is also helped me. Yeah, since like I'm having around 3.5 experience.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. Great, great. So you were telling you have given many interviews, right?
Yes.
And looking at the QA testing market these days with respect to the testers, how do you feel the market is with respect to the software testers, automation testers, or manual testing? What is more in demand?
More in demand, most of them, like when I started looking for the jobs, most of them are like they have approached both for both manual and automation. But
Mm-hmm.
I feel there is a market, like there is a huge market for automation testing, since 80 to 90% of my interview opportunities, like they are looking for an automation.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Uh, do you have any interview questions that you are able to recall, or maybe a few of the common questions that you would have got in the interviews so that the people who are watching this video can get an idea from that?
Okay. Like from past 1 month, I was giving few interviews. So I will sum up all my experience and I will share with you that
Mm-hmm.
most of the companies, they follow the similar pattern
Mm-hmm.
of first they will go through our resumes, and based on that, few people ask questions based on our resumes.
Mm-hmm.
But most of the time, they will start with our coding, knowledge in the coding language which we mentioned in our experience.
Mm-hmm.
They will come up with the, like most of the time I got the since my background is from Java,
Mm-hmm.
so most of the questions they were asked me about, like the question which is like very popular question.
Mm-hmm.
So what are the oops concepts that you have used in your automation framework? So that is the one. And one more thing is like they will ask questions about the framework.
Mm-hmm.
So what are the types, like what are the components of your framework,
Mm-hmm.
and what is the design pattern that you have used it for building the framework? So and and in Java, most of the questions, like they have asked about the multi-threading, exceptional handling,
Mm-hmm.
exception handling. These are the, like most of the time I got the questions about these topics: multi-threading, exception handling, and the OOPS concepts that I've used in the framework. And when it comes to Selenium,
Mm,
similar. I mean, they'll start with I mean, evaluating with knowledge in XPaths.
mm,
They will share, they will provide any website, and we have to find the XPath.
mm,
And I might like many practical scenario based questions, like different types of weights, and when you use which weight, like I mean, which weight use in which situation, like this. uh, and for example, if you use both type of weights, I mean implicit weight and explicit weight,
mm.
and different types of XPaths,
Okay.
different types of XPath. Sometimes like exceptions, different exceptions in Selenium.
Mm,
How you handle each exception,
mm,
uh, and exceptions, mm, and capturing the screenshots,
mm,
capturing the screenshots, scrolling, how you achieve scrolling in Selenium.
mm.
Mm. These are the questions I remember. Most of the time, I got these questions, and followed by this, there will be a coding interview. I mean, there will be a coding question. They will share the coding question, and they will provide both input and output. So for that, we have to come up with the coding code. So
Right, right.
these are like not very lead code type of coding questions.
Mm,
So there will be very basic coding questions, like they wanna just judge you based on your coding skills. So
mm.
mm,
You mean no
I will
DSA?
say that coding.
Yeah, no problem. You can
uh,
share it later. No DSA related
okay.
questions as of now, right?
Only like sometimes I've given one interview to
Mm,
like it's a product based company.
mm,
So they've asked, I mean, sometimes they will not ask this type of coding questions. They
mm.
will ask like implement library management system, like that, like I mean using oops concepts.
Which implement what?
Library management.
Okay, library management system.
One more thing, like employee management, like you using different data structures like hash code. Most of the time I like I face the questions which
Mm,
uses hash maps.
okay.
Hash maps, yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, coming to this is about the coding questions.
mm,
And like my background, in my like in my previous company, I was working with TestNG,
mm,
and there are few questions related to TestNG also. Most of the time they will ask about assertions in TestNG, assertions, and how you achieve, like how will you achieve the parallel execution, parallel executions, and how will you run the like targeted set of test cases, like we achieve that using groups. So,
mm.
and that one mm, and one more thing, decisions and decisions. Mm. And yeah, like how to achieve this data driven testing using TestNG.
Okay.
How will you run failed test cases? Uh, how, and one more thing, how to retry, like retry the failed test cases.
Mm,
Uh, and one more thing, mm, retry, and yeah, this is about TestNG.
mm-hmm. Great.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when it comes to API testing, also, like most of the time, I came across few questions on Postman.
Mm-hmm.
So Postman and yeah, Postman, like they'll not ask very, I mean, very they will ask only brief questions, like what type of methods you used in your day to day,
Mm,
like testing APIs, and different status codes and their like definitions of that. Mm, different definitions of status codes, and they've asked questions about assertions. In the Postman, we write assertions. So under the scripts, we write test scripts.
Hmm.
So I've got those questions. Yeah, that's it. Like, I mean, these are the overview of like the questions which I faced from past 1.5 to 2 months.
Great, great. Right. So how many interview rounds are there? Like what I have observed is there are generally two technical rounds and one managerial round. Was it the same case with you or anything different?
No, one would be the technical round. First round would be technical round, and second would be techno manager round. They sometimes they will evaluate the like I mean some not very basic, like they'll judge you based on your advanced Java skills.
Mm-hmm.
So and managerial situation based, like
Situation based.
how will you maintain like regression zones,
Mhm.
how often you run your regression and smoke zones, like that. So it includes both. Mm, there is one company where they I faced the coding round again in the manager round also.
Okay, okay. So in the managerial round also you can get the coding questions.
Coding questions, but it's very, I mean, it's only in one for one company I've got this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Right. So how much hike did you get, if you can tell in the terms of percentage? Like how much hike did you get in the
Mm,
current company, in the new
Got
company? Yeah.
Yeah, I got around like 90% hike, 90%
90
hike,
to
90 to
100% of
95%.
hike you have got.
Yeah.
Great.
Mm.
Wonderful. And you have got multiple offers also. So what was
Yes.
your preparation strategy behind that?
So my preparation strategy was like I was doing what, like I mean so I was doing this for past 3.5 years, but I don't know like how to articulate these things. I worked on these things, I these skills like that you suggested, and my preparation strategy was like I was I mean I was brushing up my Java skills, the
Mm,
coding. So since I'm having the same background, so I was okay with the technical. I mean, I was able to I was able to clear all the technical. But
mm,
when it comes to managerial rounds, I was not able to answer.
mm,
Even though I faced the same situations in my previous company, but
mm,
I was failing. I was failing. See, these scenario based questions, we cannot like predict what type of questions we come across.
mm,
So yeah, for that, like we should work on like our mock interviews helped me a lot in that.
mm,
So after like giving like I was not able to clear this manager due to this mock interview. So mock interviews helped me. So
mm,
my strategy was simple. Like I brushed up on my. I was at least I was doing 2 to 3 questions
mm,
Java questions, not like that. I mean, lead code type of questions.
mm.
So I used to randomly pick questions from anywhere. Like
Mm.
we'll get many resources. We'll have many resources. So for
Right.
that, like
Mm.
yeah, I was mostly focusing on my Java coding skills. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. So you mean every day you were giving 1 or 2 hours for Java coding, 1 or 2 hours
Yes.
for automation, and that's how you had
Yes.
planned your entire day. Great.
Yeah.
Fine. How about the job market? Are there any jobs related to QA these days? Are you getting, so you were, how many calls you were getting in, let's say, 1 week?
In one week, hardly I used to get around 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5. And how much did you apply?
Mm, I used to apply. See, I never applied from Naukri.
Mm,
So I just uploaded my resume and I was getting the calls. But when it comes to LinkedIn, I was approaching them. I was applying through LinkedIn. So I used to apply like 5 to 6 jobs, or sometimes 10 jobs in a day.
in a day.
So, but I didn't receive any call from LinkedIn. So even though I received, I was not okay with the compensation they're offering me. So
Right, right. Do you think Naukri paid version is good? Should we avail that particular things?
I don't think so, since I don't have this premium account. So I was not using the paid. So I just uploaded. I used to like refresh my my profile twice, like I mean twice in a week like that. So I used to get. I don't know about the it experience also matters sometimes.
Hmm.
So I'm having 3.5, so experience also matters, I guess. So
Right,
people
right.
who are below 3 years, I don't know what is the job market for them, but over the 3 years, there is a good market for
Good
QA.
mark. So when you say 3.5, so how many years of experience you have with respect to automation testing?
I'm having like 2 years.
Two plus years you're having.
Yeah,
Great,
yeah,
great. Yeah. So thanks a lot, Sharath, for coming on the channel today and sharing your success story with us. I wish you a great career ahead. And once again, congratulations for getting selected in multiple companies, right?
yeah, yeah.
And all the best for your career ahead.
Thank you, Rakesh.
Yeah.
Thank you, your
Yeah.
mock. And before attending your mocks, I was going through all your mock interview series. So
Yeah.
that helped me a lot. Most of the questions, like I understood what is the pattern they follow. So
Hmm.
in the preparation also it helped me.
Great, great.
Yeah,
Happy to help.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you
Yeah,
so much. And good luck.
and you're doing good for the community also.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to appreciate that. So thank you, Rakesh.
Thank you. The agenda behind starting this channel was the same, that to help the people in getting the jobs and getting their interviews cleared. Because many a times we are working day in and day out. Everyone is working 8 hours, 10 hours. But when it comes to interview, then at times the candidates are not able to recall the answers. So
Yes,
that's
yes.
the thing, right? But it is good if the content is helping the folks out there, right? It's a great thing to have that. Yeah. Thank you and stay connected. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Yeah.